The quick menu. Whenever you're watching a live feed, you can always right-click to bring up the quick menu. The quick menu allows you to quickly configure several aspects of your DVR. Hovering over the single option will display a list of your channels. Select a channel from the list to view it in full screen. The multi option will let you view several channels at once. There are a variety of different layout options available. You can also click and drag the channels to change their configuration on the screen. Select the Ptz options to quickly configure your Ptz cameras. This includes things like panning, tilting, and zooming. For the purposes of this video, a Ptz camera was not installed. The Start Scan option will allow you to scan through your cameras at predetermined intervals. Scan options can be further configured in the Live Main Monitor menu. The Color option will allow you to change the brightness, hue, saturation, contrast, and sharpness of the image. Select Save to keep your changes. The eZoom option will let you digitally zoom on the live image. Select between 4 times or 8 times in the bottom right corner, and then click on the image where you'd like to zoom. Click again to return to the normal view. If you've added microphone attachments to your ZOSI DVR, you can configure the audio settings using the audio menu. The Snap option will save a snapshot of the image on the screen. You can later find that image by searching for it in the Search Image menu. The Stop Record option will stop the current channel from recording. You can have it start recording again by selecting the Start Record option. Selecting the Playback option will take you to a separate screen which will play back the currently recorded video. All videos are recorded in 30-minute segments. The main menu provides several different options to help you set up your DVR and search for your recordings.